Hello, this is Christopher Odom, your video camera expert from Camcorder HQ, with a review of the Cisco Flip Mino HD Pocket Camcorder. I'm giving the Flip Mino HD a grade of B-. Major pros for the camera include ease of use, great accessories, and decent low light performance. You can read my full review on the website at digitalcamera-hq.com. And now, here is an edited clip of sample footage from the camera. Enjoy.
Hey guys, my name's Amanda Deb. I am a singer-songwriter from Orange County, California. I'm just in the studio playing some music, recording.